Tumatapos si
Sinulot din yung sarili siya po.
Nakakainis ka naman eh. Tama ka ng tao eh.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss.
Ganun talaga siya, tuloy-tuloy siya eh. Dapat di kayo nag-react ha. 1, 2, 3, go.
Caught in a bad romance. Caught in a bad romance. Siya, hindi ba kanta? Hindi tatawa na naman to.
Wait lang. From the start, correct. Oo, from the start.
Nakakainis ka naman eh. Tama ka ng tao eh.
Wait lang muna. Mandaraya ka, wait lang. Hindi ko tumatapos si
Sinulot din yung sarili siya po.
Caught in a bad romance. 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 Tawa. Gagana tayo lahat. We have water, right? And the letter A. Caught in a bad romance. Caught in a bad romance. Caught in a bad romance.
Ganun talaga, tapos seryoso.
Eh, kasi nagsisirius ako eh.
Okay, sama, go. Ano kayo guys? Ay,
Nagtatawa kami, umutot kami pag hindi ka
doon muna kayo sa labas. Tapos kami. Oh, to get to caught in a bad romance.
Why so serious?
Caught in a bad
Maganda na maganda
romance.
yung boss.
Caught in a bad romance. Caught in a bad romance.
Iyan, nakapikit sila.
Caught in a bad romance.
Kuya na.
Caught in a bad romance. Caught in the bad romance.
Yeah!